Kaipoi has been through quite a lot over the last few decades. This is an area that is low-lying and is subject to some real hazards, and a major one is flood risk. This is a 1,500 hectare catchment, and a large event will get 2.5 to 3.5 cubic metres a second. That's a 50 to 100 year event. It's a rural context. Beside a stop bank where the objective is to get the water from one side of the stop bank to the other side. It called for a different type of solution.
The Waimak District Council reached out to us. We had to go away and do our full research to work out which pumps will be suited the best for 3.5 QMEC. They were originally going to do an underground chamber.
If we have pumps down in the chamber underneath the ground, they're a lot harder to fix.
The differences between the underground is that you've got a fixed point. With the above ground pumps, you can change them from location to location within a couple of days and have them up and running again.
What we've got here behind us is relocatable pumps. It means that as things change, things can be changed more easily.
When they're only running 3 to 4 times a year, there was a no-brainer to go with diesel. Plus, if the power goes down, we've still got the backup with diesel motors.
What is that future resilience? What is that future ability to relocate them? And, cost considerations is one of those things as well.
I think we worked out cost saving, which worked out about over $1 million worth having the surface mounted pumps. As it was the first one in New Zealand, our design was from scratch, but the design of the whole project is simple. There's a control room with a panel and then a diesel tank and then a concrete pad for the pumps to sit on and an inlet chamber. Prime Pump been working with BBA in Holland since 2007. Holland is below sea level itself, so they know how to make pumps.
BBA pumps are specialised in electric and diesel driven pumps for flooding, for sewage and for groundwater.
With these pumps, we actually had a technician come out from Holland for 2 weeks just to commission and make sure the pump was running on its sweet spot.
So we have 2 fine pumps that were delivered by Prime Pumps, so we're pretty happy with what's been delivered. We don't really understand what the sea level is going to do, what those storm events are going to do, and how we really want to respond, so we need to be quite adaptable and flexible to that.